I still remember the day clearly. I was sitting in a small room, staring at my phone, with exactly $100 in my account. No rich family. No shortcuts. No secret connections. Just $100 and a decision. Most people think financial success starts with a lot of money. But as a financial advisor, I've learned something different. Money doesn't create discipline. Discipline creates money. This is where my real journey began. I used to believe what most beginners believe. If I can just double my money quickly, everything will change. But that mindset is dangerous. Because in the financial world, anything that promises fast doubling usually comes with fast loss. So instead of asking, how do I double $100? I asked a smarter question. How do I turn $100 into a system that keeps paying me? That question changed everything. The first rule I followed was simple. Never put all your money in one place. Real investors don't gamble. They divide risk. So I split my $100 into 3 parts. 1 part to build a skill. 1 part to invest safely. 1 part to create an income source. Not exciting, not viral, but effective. The smartest investment I made wasn't in stocks or crypto. It was in learning. I used a small portion of my money to learn how money works, how online income works, how content creates value. As a financial advisor, I can tell you this. Skills pay higher returns than any stock in the beginning. Money follows value, and value comes from skill. This is where most people fail. They jump into markets emotionally. They chase hype. They panic. I did the opposite. I invested only in strong, well-known assets. No shortcuts. No signals. No overnight promises. Because real investing is boring. And boring is profitable. While others watch charts every minute, I focused on long-term growth. Then I did something powerful. I started creating financial content. Not to show off. Not to fake wealth. But to educate and inspire. I posted consistently. Every day. Even when views were low. Even when nobody cared. This is the truth no one tells you. Your first videos are not for money. They are for discipline. Slowly, people started watching, then following, then trusting. And trust is the real currency. Chapter 6. When the first dollars came in. The first earnings were small. $10.
$20. $50.
But those dollars meant more than thousands earned randomly. Because they proved something, the system works. I reinvested everything. Better tools. Better knowledge. Better strategy.
No lifestyle inflation. No flexing.
Just focus. Chapter 7. How money really grows. Here's a financial truth most people ignore. Money grows fastest when you stop chasing it and start managing it. I didn't double my money in a week. I didn't triple it in a month. But over time, skills increased income. Investments grew quietly. Content worked while I slept. That's compound growth. That's real wealth. Chapter 8. The lesson I teach my clients today. Today, when people ask me, is $100 enough to start? I smile, because I know the answer. Yes. If you have patience. Yes. If you have discipline. Yes. If you stop chasing miracles. Financial freedom isn't about how much money you start with. It's about how you think when you have little. Final message. Strong ending. If you have $100, don't ask how to get rich fast.